Hey, very pretty morning to everyone. I hope you all will be very better. Well, today we will talk 10 new English words that makes your communication immensely special and interesting also. Well, let's start. What ifs? That means whatever. Okay? Means it does not matter. And to move on to the next, cringe. That means to embarrassed and ashamed about what someone is doing or saying. And to move on to the next, froyo. That means a frozen dessert made with angered sweet curd or flavored curd. Got it? And move on to the next. That is stand. To idolize, love obsessively, or be a big fan of something. Okay? And through one example, we understood about this word. Oh my God, I stand those clothes. And we can say, oh my God, I love it. And to move on to the next word, hangry. That means bad-tempered or irritable as a result of hunger. Means due to hungry and getting a very angry, we can say in easily word. Okay, and through an example we can understand about this word. I haven't eaten anything since morning or since evening. I'm hungry, so don't annoy me. Okay, well, all right, and move on to the next word. That is binge watch. That's a very interesting word. You can easily use in your daily communication. Binge watch. That means watch multiple episodes or a television program in rapid session. Again and again watch karna. Okay. And to move on to the next word, that is glamping. That means camping that comes with all the modern facilities. For example, no, I will not go camping with you, but if it's glamping, then I will come, obviously. Same reply of mine. And to move on to the next word, staycation. That means a holiday spent involving day trips to local attraction. And to move on to the next word, side eye. Oh God, it's a very dangerous. And that's mean a sidelong glance expressing disapproval or contempt. Okay, and to move on to the last but not the least word, that is very interesting for me and I often use it, to chillax. That means to say I just relax. Okay, well, bye bye, take care everyone.